Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to insert images into a Microsoft Word document, how to place images into their proper places, and how to add a clickable link into an image so that whenever someone clicks on the image, they will be redirected to a specific web page that will add. Okay, so here I have got a Microsoft Word document which is about an email marketing tutorial series. So I want to customize this post by adding image. So to do this, first of all, I want to put a header here. So let me click on insert, then pictures, then choose the image that you want to put here on as a header. So I'm choosing the image, this one, and then click on insert, and I want to give an extra space here. All right, and then I want another image to be added here just right under this link. So I've just given a space, and then I want to insert an image, which is what is email marketing. Let's see, insert pictures, and then learn email marketing tutorial. So here, what is email marketing? Insert. Okay, and then I want another image to be added here, 7 best email marketing service platforms. Let's give a space here, and then insert pictures, and here 7 best email marketing service providers, insert. So these are the images that I have selected, and we can move this image in wherever we want. So as you can see, I have just dragged it to top, and it's just made the change. So I'm just making it a undo button. Okay, and then I want to give links, clickable links under this image. So first of all, let me just put a link of to this image. Okay, so I want this image to be clickable, and this link will be redirected to my full free email marketing tutorial step-by-step series. So I just want to get the link from here. I'm just selected, copy the link, and go back to Word file, and then select the image, right click on the image, mouse, and then click on hyperlink, and put the copied link here and paste, and then click on OK. And now this image is clickable. As you can see, I am being able to see a link here appearing. Okay, so now this image is clickable, and now I want to place another image. So we have already added the image, so I have just selected the image, but before that I want to copy this link. So I'm just copying, and then I want to select this image again, and then click on the right button of your mouse, click on hyperlink, and then paste the code, paste the link. Okay, and then click on OK, and again this image is also clickable. Now I want to place the link into this image. So select the image, right button of your mouse, and then click on hyperlink, then put the link here, and then click on OK. So here I have got some other places to add image, and I'll do it for myself. And so here, let me show you something else. So here, if you want to resize the image, you can do this. You can drag it from anywhere, any corner here. Okay, you can make some adjustment like this if you want. And so I don't want this like this, so I want to click on undo button. Okay, so however you want to modify the image, you will be able to do. And from this tutorial, we have just learned how to add images into a Microsoft Word, and how to add links, clickable links under the image, and how to place the image in accurate place. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this in future, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.